Hello friends, today I wanted to share two important concepts that are very important in our life. These two important concepts will help us to grow. This will help us to come out of the tough situations of our life. These terms or these concepts will help us to grow to be best version of ourselves. Now, these two terms are, first is fair weather associates and the second one is well wishers. Now, many times we all know who are our well wishers because we all know our friends, relatives, or our close ones. We get to know that they are our well wishers, but there is one important difference between fair weather associates and well wishers. Now remember, whenever you are in a celebrations, whenever you are a winner or whenever you are a successful person, you have power, you have money, there will be many people around you who you want. They wanted to come with you. They wanted to be with you. Remember, these are the people are fair weather associates. They are just for their benefit, for their advantage, they are with you. And well wishers are those who are visible only when you are in tough times, because our life is uncertain. Many times we get some tough situations, we get some difficult situations. At that time we need some people who will be able to help us, who will be able to guide us, who will be able to suggest some advices or anything like that. That time these people are around us. So these are our well wishers. Remember, whenever you are in tough times, those who are with you are the genuine well wishers. Rest of them all are fair weather associates. This is very important to understand that. So just go back to your life for last 5 to 10 years. Just try to see your good moments or good times, and just try to check the bad times as well. Just try to see who were with you when you were in a good time, when you were having good celebration times, or you were a winner, you were successful. And just try to check your bad times. Whenever you were in tough situations, who were with you? Those who were with you in your tough times are your well wishers, and those who were not are the fair weather associates. Now remember, those who are with you as a well wishers, do not be a fair weather associates to them. Just be a well wishers to them, because whoever they are, they may also go from some tough times, some tough situations in their life. For them as well, you be with them. Just help them, guide them wherever possible. So just try to be a genuine well wishers with others as well. When you become a well wishers for others, others will become well wishers for you. Otherwise, everyone will be fair weather associates. This is very important to understand, and these concepts will help you to identify the genuine well wishers in our life. And whenever there is tough time, we should identify them and we should have trust in them. That's what we should understand. That's what I wanted to convey in this video, and I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.